Have you been feeling stressed lately or like your money flow is a little bit blocked? Well, many people do not realize that their home environment could be causing challenges and stress that is blocking that money and draining the finances away. Today, we will be looking at 7 feng shui mistakes plus a bonus tip. It is so easy to get caught up in the cycle of things with stress and to feel like the money is not flowing in like you would like it to. Sometimes this has to do with being able to let go and to believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Take a few minutes for a deep breath and thinking about something positive. Or sometimes with stress, you just walk out of the place. Walk around, get some exercise, and that can help you feel better. The power of belief and self-esteem is very important. Now, let's take a look at some feng shui things. This is very important. This is actually feng shui mistake number 7. You want to have life-giving energy in your home. Therefore, you want to make sure your plants are in good shape. They're healthy and growing well. If they're dead or dying, please remove them. Now, there's another thing about dried flowers. Sometimes people like to keep these as a keepsake. If you have a little bit of that, that is fine. However, it is better off not to keep a lot of dried, dead flowers around. This can help boost the energy of your home. Mistake number 6 is broken things. Broken things can lead to feeling stuck. It's a drain on the brain because things are not working, they're broken, and it just decreases the flow of money because something needs fixed. It's something in the back of your mind, and it can cut back. So fix broken things as soon as possible. If you have decorative things that are broken and you're just using for decoration, that could be okay. But if it's something you need and use all the time, you have to fix it because it's a block to your mindset and a block to the flow of energy in your home. Mistake number 5 is having too much furniture. It's very important that the air currents flow well within your home. And if you have wall-to-wall furniture or too much furniture or boxes or things laying around, this blocks that flow. It also blocks your mindset because everything is crowded. And if you have this situation, once you clean something like that up, you can notice it because it feels so much better. Now, this next tip, this is something that's actually kind of hard to see that many people miss. And what is this? This is actually clutter. It is so easy to have too much clutter around, little areas here and there and over there that are not picked up, or there's too many papers sitting around. The clutter impinges upon your brain. How? Your eyes take in everything around you, and it becomes stressful to the body. What happens is it decreases focus, and it also decreases concentration. Plus, it increases stress. This is a hidden stress that people don't even see because they get so used to the clutter. So if you have clutter, pick one area and start working there. Do one thing at a time, and gradually you can get it fixed. This next one is a real biggie. Leaky faucets. Do you have any leaky faucets in your home, in the bathroom or the kitchen? This is very important because water holds positive feng shui qi energy. It is wealth. It's considered wealth, and sometimes we do remedies in the deeper levels of classical feng shui, which I do using water remedies. Leaky faucet is money down the drain. When you have something like this, fix it as soon as possible. This will make you feel better in the long run and can help with your money flow. Number 2, it is very important that you get positive flow of life-giving qi, positive energy into your home. Qi is carried by the air currents. You want to make sure your entranceway is clean, neat, and tidy, both inside and outside. If you have shoes or coats, that's fine. Make sure they're picked up and organized. If it's organized, that makes structure for your brain and makes it less stressful. Another thing is outside, you want to make sure there is nothing blocking the entranceway with stuff, or if you have a tree that's directly in front of the doorway that's close. This can even block air currents for businesses. Plus, make sure you keep the cracks, broken glass, and broken walls taken care of. Fix them as soon as possible, both inside and outside of the home. These cracks could cause challenges with relationships, with splitting apart, or problems with your health, as in getting injuries that split the skin apart. This is in the deeper levels, and it depends on the direction. So keep the chi mouth, which is the entrance to your home, in good working order. Make sure you have good lighting. This can help improve the flow and the money coming into your life. Can also help opportunities. You want to be able to see the opportunities that come. Clearing clutter can also help with this by helping you see and notice opportunities when they arise. Otherwise, if you have a lot of clutter, they could just pass on by without a person even noticing it. Now this last one, the tip number 1, wow, make sure you stay for the bonus too. Tip number 1 is something that can be so easily missed. And as a matter of fact, there's myths out there in Feng Shui, and some people are actually giving wrong advice about the color of your decor in your rooms. The number 1 thing is fire colors. Fire colors are purples, reds, pinks, and fiery orange. Any of those colors in that color spectrum. They could lead to money delays if they're in the wrong place at the wrong time. Avoid using fire colors for your walls or for rugs. Sometimes fire colors are needed in the deeper levels of classical feng shui that uses mathematical calculations. Maybe 7 out of 9 years, but never always. Therefore, the safest thing is to use neutral colors. These would be things like tan, cream, white, off-white, light gray, a light sage green. Generally, these colors are okay. A light yellow, too. This can make you feel better and do better, because having fire colors in the wrong place can also lead to challenges with finances, relationships, and challenges with health and potential accidents, financial disaster. Okay, here's the bonus tip you've been waiting for. It's very important that you have positive things in your home that you like and that make you feel good inside. Take a walk. Look around. What do you see? Are there negative images? Do you have artwork that's negative or stressful? Do you have pictures of old relationships hanging around that you really don't want to see? Do you have a statue or some other thing that someone gave you just doesn't feel good to you and you've just been keeping it around to please someone else? Go around and look at your home like you've never been there before and see what is there. Remove stressful things. Only have things that are positive. This is like a vision board. It's like a 3D vision board. Have positive things in your home that make you feel good, that are going along with your aspirations in life. This can really make a big difference. And by the way, Classical Feng Shui does not have a wealth corner. That is dependent on calculations. But the things I am telling you today can make a big difference. Think about this. Which area are you going to start in first? If you would like to feel less stressed, be able to move forward more easily, and feel the abundance flow into your life, use your mind to be positive. Believe in yourself. Have self-esteem. See positive visuals in your home. And make sure you take care of some of these feng shui things that could have been holding you back in the past. Fix these, and it can help you feel better, feel more calmer, and more peaceful. When you have more calm and inner peace, it is easier to attract abundance into your life and to see the opportunities when they come your way. Plus, be sure you take positive action. Taking action can be a great key to moving forward with having greater joy and money flow into your life. Now, let me know which one of those things you're going to work on first. Be sure to get your free checklist and check out my next video for more tips.